Sichuan Blade Metal Products Limited Company is a professional manufacturer, processor, and seller of various types of saw blades. With branch factories in Dayang, Sichuan, Taikang, Jiangsu, and Xinning, Hubei, our annual output value exceeds 60 million RMB, and products are exported to many countries and regions worldwide. Backed by a professional R&D team, skilled technicians, advanced processing equipment, we adopt high-quality imported raw materials with traceability labels. Our products feature firm welds, stable performance, sharp blades, and long durability. We offer customization services, including OEM and ODM. Your ideal saw blade solution is here.